Whether you're an outdoorsy guy or not, a robust, reliable power station will always come in handy. If you have followed our channel for a while, you might know that we often test out new and unique power stations on our outdoor trips. And recently, we got an innovative and powerful portable power station from OUKITEL called the OUKITEL P2001 Portable Power Station. It's been a while since we reviewed a power station. We thought of making a video of this monstrous powerhouse. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. This is the first time we have used such a powerful 2000-watt portable power station. As you can see, the box is rocking OUKITEL's logo on the top and the front side. The sides of the box contain a quick view of its features and some instructions. This power station is pretty chunky and solid. Next, here's an MC4 to Anderson cable for solar charging and a cigarette port to Anderson cable for charging the power station on the go. Lastly, here's a user manual, in case you want to check. And that's about it for the unboxing part. Now let's take a look at the powerhouse. As you can see, there are some ports, the power button, an LED light, and OUKITEL's branding on the front side. On the left side, this is the overload protection to keep electronic devices safe. And right below that, we can see the charging ports to juice up this monster. On the other side, here are two cooling fans, which we found to be very useful to keep this powerhouse cool. The AC ports are right here, below the fans, while the back side shows some quick features of the power station. The power station is formidable enough to withstand our extreme usage, and the strength comes from the solid and ruggedized plastic. The whole thing weighs about 48 pounds, which we think is pretty heavy for a power station. But hey, for the power it can deliver, we believe the weight is justified. And we found these rubber legs at the bottom pretty solid and grippy, which makes the power station more stable, no matter how the surface is. Plus, they also provide an external AC power cable for this. What a relief. Moving on to its battery section. The P2001 proudly boasts an impressive 2,000 watt-hour battery that supports up to 2,000 volts of maximum AC output. This lithium iron phosphate battery has over 2,000 life cycles, around 4 to 5 times longer than the lithium-ion battery. Plus, we didn't find any overheating issues so far. As it comes to its ports, we found this power station amazingly useful during our group camping trips. Why? We literally use 16 devices simultaneously from this power station. As you can see here are 6 standard AC outlets. They are pure sine wave protected, therefore we got a seamless power distribution every time. This is why using massive power consuming equipment was like a piece of cake for this enormous power station. The front side contains 4 USB-A outputs, including 2 18-watt quick charge 3.0 rated ports, 2 USB-C 100-watt PD ports, a car port, and 2 12-volt 3-ampere DC ports. And if you look carefully, you'll see that each of these port sections has individual power buttons. As it's the strongest power station we've used till now, we tried to utilize it further. During that process, we also found out that it can be used as a UPS. How? We plugged in the power station from the AC outlet and connected our electric appliances with the power station. As a result, we got an uninterrupted power delivery, even during an emergency power outage. This power station can even charge a Tesla and add around 6 more miles of range. Well, the fast charging was possible because of its BMS battery management system. Plus, its MPPT technology provides around 23% higher conversion efficiency. And it's possible to charge this massive power station in only 1.5 hours. But don't be overexcited, as the catch is, you'll need to use both the 1,100 watt AC input and the 500 watt solar charging system simultaneously. We fully charged the power station in 1 hour and 50 minutes, while using only the AC input. But most importantly, the two-way charging provides 80% charge within an hour. However, we used the 500 watt solar panel individually and got around 6 hours of charging time. Now that was really amazing. Last but not least, we needed to make sure the solar panel we used was lower than 50 volts. And this is important. because OUKITEL clearly stated that if the solar panel isn't lower than 50 volts, that could be a problem, and the power station can get damaged. So that was pretty much everything about the OUKITEL P2001 portable power station. And with this many ports, monstrous power, and advanced power management capabilities, we think it is one of the most powerful generators, not only for outdoor activities, but as an emergency power supply for home as well. What do you think about it? Let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching our video. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends if you find it helpful. To know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.